Today we are here to introduce you Surya new model of electric chimney of year 2020. Let's unbox the chimney and see the product. It comes with the fitting screw and the manual. Next you can see is a clamp on which the chimney will be hang in the kitchen. This third one is the stainless steel oil collector cup used to collect all the oil when we use auto clean function. This is the exhaust pipe clamp fitted on the top side of the chimney used to hold the pipe. This third one is the expandable aluminium foil pipe which is used to take the exhaust out of the kitchen. The last one you can see in the blue color is the hood actually. In this hood it is made up of stainless steel, as you can see when we rotate it. Just this will be fitted on the top side of the chimney. These 6 are the standard accessories which comes with the chimney. Friends, as I just told you about the multi motion sensors and multi functions in the wave sensors, it also have other functions also. It have many exciting features, as in the history also Surya always launched the kitchen chimney with lot of functions. I will explain you one by one all the features. First of all, it will have a auto clean function. As you can see it here, when we press this button for a long time, it will start blinking. That means now the auto clean function has been started. Now the thing is, what is auto clean? Normally when we use the kitchen chimney, it will get oily, lot of dirt will come, because when there is oil, the dirt will catch easily. So it will go inside the motor, housing, blower, filters, everywhere. So what it will do, when we press this button, the kitchen chimney will start heating it up inside. And after long heating and severe heating, what it will do, it will melt all the oil inside it, and all the oil will, after melting, it will come down in the oil collector cup, and oil collector cup cleaning is very easy. So normally what will happen, this will do everything by its own. Only thing for you have to do nothing in this. That means you cannot change the function. It will take 10 to 16 minutes maximum. That it will heat inside. Then after getting all the oil to the oil collector cup, it will clean also, and then again it will cool by his own. The same function is in the other model also, that's of 90 centimeter or 3 feet you can say. In this, the same button was there, same feature was there. As you can see, both the chimneys are touch panels. They don't have any button. Normally what will happen when we use button model in the kitchen, oil will go inside the buttons easily, and due to the oil the dirt will come and the buttons will stop working. But in the touch panel there is nothing problem like this. So that means for long time you can use this touch panel and there will be no problem in that case. That means you don't need any type of maintenance in that case. Normally this is the maintenance issue in this one. The another exciting and the safety feature is it have a LPG sensor. That means in case you have an LPG leakage in your kitchen and nobody is in the home, say, then nobody can control that, and in that case what will happen, if this is in the power mode, and what it will do, it will sense the unburned LPG automatically and it will start exhausting it automatically. It will have a time slot for that. That means whenever the LPG leakages are coming, it will keeps on running, and if it will keeps on running till the LPG leakage is there. So our recommendation is that you strongly keep it in the power plug always, and keep that button should be always in the on mode. That means in your absent, it will help and make your home a little bit safer and avoid any type of accident due to any type of gas like LPG or PNG. It will be a very helpful feature in that case. The next one, These models are filterless models. Normally people will ask what is the meaning of a filterless chimney. First of all, I'll just give a brief introduction. First of all, there is three types of filter used in India. Most of them before we are using is aluminum filter. Then it comes a waffle filter. Then it comes a filterless model. What is an aluminum filter? It will have 5 layers of aluminum. When the chimney will start, it will suck the oil inside that filter. We need to clean it. Cleaning aluminum filter is a really tough job. Then it comes, the alternate is the baffle filter. Aluminum filter are made with the pipes and they are joined together. That means when the oil will go inside the motor, it will stuck up in the pipes, and then you have to get the filters out after 1 month or so, and then you clean it. Now the next system is the inbuilt tubing, that we call as filterless model. As you can see it here, when the oil will go inside, it will have a slant layer for that. What will happen when the oil will go inside the pipes? It will come automatically to the oil collector cup. That means first the oil will go in the pipes of the filters, but there is actually no filter, they are just the pipes, and the oil will come automatically to the oil collector cup. That means you don't need to clean any type of filter. These are the new filterless chimneys. Same both model will have, you can see. The next feature will come about the LED lights. Before, the LED lights are round, sharp, but now the concept is changing day by day. Now the tubes are coming, vertical tubings are there. This have different types of LED lighting, as you can see. See, this have a good cover area, because in this, it's like this type of LED light. If you can see it out there, what it will happen, it will have a projection that use this whole SS bottom as a focus, and then it will come down to this, so that the cover area will be big, sharp, and you will get a smooth lighting. Normally in the LED lights in the round shape, it will affect the retina of the eyes. So normally we will avoid this type of lighting, and this will be very smooth, not harmful for your eyes. The same concept we are using it here. The same has here in the lightings, as you can see it here. This have a long tube, because this is a bit longer. So in that you can see the cover area is big, so we use a long tube to have a good lighting on your food while cooking. You can have a good look on that. The next concept about this is the noise. Normally people will ask how much noise these types of chimneys were having. Frankly, the chimneys are very noisy normally. So what will happen when we use this type of chimneys, they normally have 60 dB. So when Surya will design any chimney, they will design the motor and the blower in such a manner that the sound level never cross 45 dBs. That means when you switch on, you can have a view like this. In this will be the sound level. That means sometimes you don't even come to know that the chimney is working or not, but it was working. That means when two people are working in a kitchen, they can easily talk. Normally when the chimneys are running very fast, what will happen, two people have to speak a little louder so that they can hear each other easily. So these are the features and the functions of the Surya kitchen chimney model SU1002 in 60 and 90. See, both 60 and 90 have the same feature, same power, same suction, same everything. Only the size is different. Normally people have a misconception that this one bigger means more suction power. See, it's only for your cover area, the dimensions are bigger, that's it. But the power is the same, suction power is the same, only the cover area is a little bit bigger in 90 centimeter. Other things are absolutely same. If you still need any more information or manuals or anything or dimensions, you can visit our website, that's shopsurya.com. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.